Hi friends, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 36. So, ready? Start. Lastly, it was contended on behalf of the appellants that considering the fact that all the accused were co-villagers of the witnesses and well known from before the naming of the some of the appellant by only few of the witnesses, and not all should have been treated to be a significant factor to grant acquittal on basis of benefit of doubt. Reliance was placed upon the judgment of this court in case of Masalti etc. versus State of Uttar Pradesh AIR 1965 SC 202, wherein it has been held that no doubt trustworthy evidence of a single witness may be enough to convict accused person in appropriate case, but where a criminal court is dealing with evidence pertaining to an offense involving large number of offender and a large number of victim, it should usual to adopt the test of support by two or three or more witnesses if they give a consistent account of the incident. The court approved such a test later after noticing that it may appear to be mechanical, but its use in appropriate case cannot be treated as irrational or unreasonable. In order to assist this court to apply such a test in present case, detailed notes and chart have been also furnished to indicate individual cases of appellant in respect of evidence of eye witness appearing against them, their weapon and alleged specific role. On the other hand, learned counsel for the informant, also learned counsel for the state, have placed reliance upon judgment of trial court and high court and submitted the oral as well as documentary evidence has received due consideration by both the court, and in the facts of the case no interference is required to the concurrent finding of guilt recorded against the appellants. It was highlighted on behalf of prosecution that when large number of accused person had run after the deceased and indulged in indiscriminate assault resulting into earth of the four-person and in open field and serious injuries to the informant, the witness cannot be expected to notice, remember the deposed, the individual act committed by different accused person, vice versa, the five victim. It was pointed out that on behalf of prosecution that medical evidence and the injuries have been correctly noted by the trial court, which show that the firearm injuries were on as many as three deceased, namely Bhagu Singh, from whose dead body two pellets were recovered and one from the wrist of the left arm and one from the stomach, deceased Inder Singh, from whose back part of body 12 pellets were recovered, and deceased Bapu Singh, who was and to have sustained a gun shot injury on the from which 66 pallets were taken out along with plastic circular cap. Pallets were also taken out from the brain. For this purpose, according to prosecution, the court below have analyzed the circular evidence in detail and have also noticed recovery of different weapon from the accused person. Therefore, as per their submission, the conviction of the appellant require no interference. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.